Christmas present. So it's a kind of a little bit of a game. So Shannon, here you go.
See if she can
This is
find
from Mom, Sue, and I. Happy graduation. It's kind of a little game you gotta play. So.
Go to the mailbox.
Go to the mailbox.
You gotta go to the mailbox.
You gotta keep it in the mailbox.
Sorry.
Huh?
Wait a minute, I can't open the mailbox. There's a balloon on it.
Well, we'll have to cut it.
Break the balloon.
Tear it out. We have to cut it or?
You can open the mailbox.
No, it's like...
No, I opened the mailbox. You can open the mailbox. Just wait for everybody else to get here.
What do you mean?
Well, because, yeah.
Oh my God, hopefully everybody in my business.
We'll be here.
Just stand here.
No, that's on
Why, are you recording me right now? Why would you record me?
Because you're so beautiful.
You are so beautiful.
Oh, man, you're going to have to edit that out. It's 1470 in case you didn't know.
Sue didn't know. She asked me which mailbox.
It has a big balloon on it.
Well, I did.
1470 on it.
I didn't see the balloon.
Okay.
Am I opening it now?
Yeah.
Yes. Wait.
Wait for people to get out here so they can.
Someone's pruning your roses, though.
Yeah, I
Oh,
know.
look, I got it.
I don't do very good plants, and she does, so she makes fun of me all the time.
Oh,
She's
Kathy.
probably trying to save my roses, but that's only one rose bush that is last. So. You're hired, Kathy. Can you come next time, the same week? Same time next week? Might be.
That would be awesome.
Actually, if it was a morning drive, if I opened the doors, I wouldn't be here right now. Publishers Clearing House.
Open your mailbox.
In the mailbox. You might want to stand back.
Check the front tires of your mom's car.
What? This is not going to be easy.
Try the back tire.
I'm coming from you guys.
Why would I try the back tire?
Just try it. Other side.
Says the front.
Oh, there's, I see
Are you sure it didn't fall out while you were driving?
Shannon, try over here.
Maybe they got the front and the back mixed up.
Hey, I had to remember 1470.
So you put it on the back tire instead of the front? I can't get it off. Okay.
What's it say?
Back tire of Dad's truck.
I got that right.
Is it actually the back tire this time?
Oh, shit.
Am I supposed to? Okay, this one's easy to get off.
She's gone. She's gone.
Shannon! Shannon! Woohoo! I'm going too! I'm going too! Where are you going? Watch out! Stay here.
She's gonna hit your. She's gonna hit your
Watch out
truck.
for Dad's car!
Guy.
Give me that plastic. You're gonna slip. All right.
How do I move the seat up?
Let me stop recording.